Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. And the last question is on Boolean algebra, and you can just draw the truth table to see P and Q can be true, true and false, false and true, false and false, and you'll write down the value of P and minus Q or not Q, or Q or not P and Q. So if both are true, then P and not Q is obviously not true, but Q is true, right? And these are three OR functions, so if Q is true, it has to be true. Similarly, if Q is true, it has to be true. What if Q is false? Then not Q is true and P is true. So P and not Q is true. So this is true. What if both are false? Then you have false and true, which is false. This is false, and this is true and false, which is also false. So all three in the OR brackets are false. And this is the same as the truth table for P or Q, which means the answer is option 3. This completes the solutions for the 2016 JEE Mains Mathematics paper. Thank you.